So hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Nation. Today we are gonna learn about crop production and management. This is the part 2 of this chapter. This topic is of class 8. So let's begin. Our today's agenda is to learn about adding manure and fertilizers, advantages of manure and advantages of manure. Overview. So in this presentation we will cover about adding manure and fertilizers, characteristics of fertilizers and advantages of manure. Adding manure and fertilizers. The substances which are added to the soil in the form of nutrients for the healthy growth of plant are called manure and fertilizers. What is manure? Manure is an organic substance obtained from decomposition of plants and animal waste. The most important question: what is manure made of? Farmers dump plant or animal waste in pits at open places and allow it to decompose. The decomposition is caused by some microorganisms. The decomposed matter is used as organic manure. Why manure is necessary for plants? Continuous cultivation of crops makes soil poor in nutrients. Therefore, farmers have to add manure to the fields to replenish soil. Adding manure and fertilizers. In today's video, we will understand about manure and fertilizers in detail. After all the steps that we understood in the previous video, we should give nutrients to the soil so that crops get food for growing faster. For plants, manure is very important. Manure is also known as khad in Hindi. You can remember this as manure is something natural, but fertilizer is something artificial which is made in factories. Further, we will understand the advantages of manure and what is fertilizer. But first, we will know about manure. The work of manure is to supplement the growth of plant. The work of manure is to supplement the growth of plant. So, but fertilizers are made in factories, so they are artificial. Suppose if we grow any crop in soil and that crop took all the nutrients of the soil, so the nutrients will not be there in the soil. Then we have to add nutrients artificially in it. This is given the term of fertilizers. So therefore manure is good for plants. Here you can see that fertilizers are sprayed and the person who is spraying it is wearing a mask because this is too harmful for their health. Here we can prove that somewhere fertilizers are harmful. So now we'll learn in detail about fertilizers. Adding manure and fertilizers. The main question is, what if there is excessive use of fertilizers? First, they will cause water pollution, and the second thing is it will decrease the fertility of the soil. So what we should do to increase the soil fertility but by using minimum fertilizers? Crop rotation is the solution. Suppose I grown wheat on soil, then if I did the cultivation of rice after wheat, so what will happen? Rice will take another nutrients which wheat will not take. But if I grow it line wise, first 5 times wheat then rice, so soil will not get time to replenish its nutrients. So we should grow crops alternately so that soil can replenish its nutrients. This is called crop rotation. I hope you understood about this. So now let's move to our before moving to our next topic. Some nutrients of fertilizers are urea, ammonium sulfate, superphosphate, and NPK. So let's move to our next topic, which is advantages of manure. The organic manure is considered better than fertilizers because it enhances the water holding capacity of the soil. When manure is poured into the soil, when manure is filled into the soil, it makes pores in the soil from which the water holding capacity of the soil is increased. It makes soil porous due to which exchange of gases become easy. It increases number of friendly microbes. The more the microbes are there, the more the nutrients are produced. It improves texture of the soil from which plants grow healthier. So, in today's video, we learned about uh, adding manure and fertilizers, characteristics of fertilizers, and advantages of manure. In our next video, we will learn more about this chapter. Till then, like, share, and subscribe. And till then, signing off.